Hey guys, so it's April. I just wanted to come on here and show you how I make this backdrop. I'm just gonna get right into it because I don't really know what to talk about and I'm awkward. So this is my first YouTube video, and if you got any kind of criticism, any good criticism hopefully, just leave it in the comments so I can hopefully improve. But basically what I was saying is this whole backdrop right here I just made, the stand and all, and it cost me I think below 30 bucks. Most of the stuff that you can get, it's like a tablecloth thing, and I got that at Walmart for like $3, and the rest of the stuff I got at Lowe's. So if you're interested in watching that video, just keep watching. Can you tell I like Halloween? Alright, so here I'm just taking two 15-inch PVC pipes and I'm connecting them with a T in the middle, and then I'm gonna put the straight couplings on the end of those. So you're gonna make two of those. Those are gonna be your legs. And then you're gonna take one of the 5-foot poles and you're gonna measure it in the middle. It's gonna be the 30-inch ones. So you're gonna end up with four 30-inch PVC pipes. You just see me cutting mine here. Also be careful because I end up hurting my finger. My fingernail got pulled on the second one there. Alright, so you're going to connect it with that T, and then put another T on top of that. So that's going to be your leg. You're going to do that for the other side as well. Next, you're going to connect those legs with a 5-foot pole in the middle, so you're going to put it in the middle of that T. And then you're going to put another one of those 30-inch PVC pipes on top of both of those. So you're going to connect those to the T. And then you're going to put an elbow coupling on top of those. And then connect it with another 5-foot PVC pipe. And then next, you're just going to get your table cover, or if you have a shower curtain table cover or whatever you got. And then you're going to clamp it down, and then you have your backdrop. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.